GRE Practice Test Review. Unlock success. Hello, learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial parts of your GRE test preparation journey: reviewing and analyzing practice tests. This process is your key to understanding your strengths and weaknesses, so you can enhance your overall performance. Let's get started. When you complete a practice test, it's not the end, it's actually the beginning of a new learning phase. Reviewing your answers is essential because 1. It helps identify patterns in your mistakes. 2. You understand the areas where you need more practice. 3. It provides insights into time management during the test. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Here's how you can effectively review your practice test. 1. Don't rush. Wait for a day before you review your test. This provides a fresh perspective. 2. Segmentation. Divide the test into sections: quantitative, verbal, and analytical writing. 3. Check correct answers. For each wrong answer, understand the solution. Don't just look at the right answer, delve into why it's correct. 4. Note common mistakes. Jot down the types of questions you often get wrong. This helps in recognizing patterns in your errors. 5. Time analysis. Look at the time taken for each section. Were there sections where you rushed? Did you spend too much time on certain questions? Once you've reviewed, it's time to act on the insights. 1. Focus on weaknesses. Allocate more study time to topics or sections where you made the most mistakes. 2. Practice strategy. For questions you found tricky, practice different strategies. Maybe there's a quicker or more efficient approach. 3. Time management. Try techniques like skipping tough questions initially and returning to them later, to better utilize your time. 4. Seek feedback. Discuss tricky questions in study groups or forums. Different perspectives can provide clarity. That's a wrap on reviewing and analyzing your GRE practice tests. Remember, the goal isn't to avoid mistakes, but to learn from them. With every review, you're one step closer to mastering the GRE. Keep up the dedication, and success will surely follow. Happy studying!